Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today we are doing another collaboration video. I am super excited and so very honored and humbled that these ladies asked me to be part of their collaboration video. So this collaboration video has 5 YouTubers, including myself. So we have Caitlin, and you guys have seen Caitlin pop up on a few of my past collaboration videos. So her channel name is CPFashionCosmetics. And then we also have Marley. Marley's channel is called XO Marley. And then we also have Donna from hashtag MySoCalledLife1977. And then we have Jamie from Confessions of a Makeup Addict. So I will definitely link all of their videos and their channels down below. So please, please, please go over there and show them some love and support. We're all just small YouTubers just trying to share our creativity and our passion for makeup. The ladies decided that we should do a collaboration using the Naked series from Urban Decay, which I thought was amazing and so fun. So we each picked a Naked palette. I picked the Cherry palette from Urban Decay. Here it is. And yeah, I haven't really played with this as much as I want to, so this was a perfect collaboration to really dive into this palette and create a fun look for you guys. And the other 4 ladies each have a different palette to showcase. That being said, let's jump into this tutorial using the Naked Cherry palette, and I really hope you enjoy this collaboration. And yeah, let's get into this look. Start off this look, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Potion Primer, and this is in Original. I'm just going to place a little bit on my eyelids and then blend it out with my finger. Okay, so I've already done my brows off camera, and I will definitely leave a link in this video and in the description box if you're interested to see how I do my brows. And I applied some tape to the corners of my eye. This will just help sharpen up the eye look when I'm through with it. And I'm gonna go in with a fluffy buffing brush, and I'm going in with the shade Privacy. I just want to apply that to the outer corners of my eye and blend it in just a tad. The next shade I'm going to grab is Devilish, and also on a different type of fluffy brush, and I'm just wanting to apply this right here and blend it into Privacy. So next I'm going to go in with Bing, and I want to apply that right in the inner corner and blend it into Devilish. So I think I'm going or leaning towards doing a cut crease. So I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeshadow base in white, and I'm going to create a cut crease with this. And so again, how I create my creases, I just place a little bit of the base, and again, you can use something like a white base or your concealer. I place a little bit on my lid, I look up, and it will transfer right up to the upper portion of my lid, and that's where I know where I should stop. So it's kind of like tracing or outlining. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So I just extended it up till the tape line right here, and that looks pretty darn good. I'm going to go in with a flatter brush, and I'm going to go in with Bang Bang in the palette, and I'm going to apply this all over that NYX white base. Okay, and we are almost finished, but I'm really liking the way it is looking so far. And I'm going to go in with Turn On, and I want to apply this as a brow bone highlight. So ever so lightly tapping into that shade and applying it right under my brows. So I'm gonna go finish off my face really quick. I just wanted this video to be a focus on the palette, so I'll be right back. I'm just gonna finish off my eyes now. So I kind of want to add just something else to, I don't know, this look. So I'm going to go in with the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows, and this is in Sunset Cove. Okay, so finish off the look, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick, and this is the shade On Point. And I think I just want to go just a little bit further, just a little bit more. So I'm going to go back in with that Stila liquid eyeshadow that we used on our eyes. And I'm just going to apply a little bit to the center of my lip, and hopefully that doesn't ruin the whole look. Okay, and that really completes this makeup look using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, which was my pick for this collaboration. And I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this look, pairing it with some Stila liquid glitter eyeshadows, which I absolutely am obsessed with. And yeah, if you have any questions on the products I used, check the description box below and let me know what you think of this look. And if you have this palette, what do you think of yours? And don't forget to check out the other ladies' channels who are linked down below as well. And yeah, I am just super happy. This was so fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. All the kisses.